In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Outlook, a skill that will help you tremendously in organizing your emails for more efficient communication and productivity. Managing emails can often seem daunting, especially if you receive a high volume daily. One effective way to tackle this is by creating specific folders to categorize your emails, making your inbox not only cleaner, but also much easier to navigate. So let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process together. To start off, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. Once you've got the application up and running, direct your gaze to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a panel that lists your folders. This includes your inbox, sent items, drafts, and more. Now, the key part of this section is finding your name, which typically appears at the top of this list. This spot represents the root directory of all your email files within Outlook. Here's where it gets interactive. Using your mouse, right-click on your name. This might seem simplistic, but it's a crucial step. A context menu will pop up, presenting you with a selection of options to choose from. Among these options is what we're looking for, the Create New Folder command. Go ahead and click on this option. This action will prompt a small dialog box to appear, asking you to input the name of your new folder. Naming your new folder is an essential part of staying organized. Think about how you want your emails to be sorted. Perhaps you're creating a folder dedicated to a specific project, categorizing emails from certain clients, or even just setting up a general to-do folder for important pending tasks. Type in a clear and concise name that reflects the purpose of the folder, and then press enter. That's it. You've successfully created a new folder. You can now go ahead and move relevant emails into this folder by simple dragging and dropping, which will help reduce the clutter in your main inbox. This system of organizing emails can be endlessly useful, allowing you to maintain not only a clean inbox, but also improving your overall efficiency by ensuring that important emails never get lost in the shuffle. Creating folders is a foundational step towards mastering your email management. But remember, it's also important to routinely review and update the classification of your folders to make sure they continue to serve your needs well as they evolve. This simple organizational strategy can make a significant difference in how you interact with your digital correspondence, and mastering it will allow you to maximize your effectiveness in both personal and professional environments. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Outlook.